Kingston College, or KC, is represented this evening by Nikolai Downer, Kaylin Malcolm, Jamani Clark, and team captain Kaim Barnaby. While St. George's College is represented by team captain Jerome Hales, Rashard Gordon, Kevoy Ellis, and Jelani Grant. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone, and welcome to continuing round one action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. St. George's College won, but decided to send Kingston College in to bat first. So we begin with Kingston College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, and we have that time on the clock. So we'll begin, KC, with chemistry. How much heat energy in joules is required to raise the temperature of 200 grams of water by 25 degrees Celsius?
25 degrees Celsius. How many joules? So is it 4 joules? 12.5 joules. 12.5 joules.
No, 20,920 joules. Chemistry, St. George's College. What mass of sodium hydroxide is required to neutralize 50.0 centimeters cubed of 1.0 mole per dm cubed sulfuric acid?
24 grams per mole.
24 grams per mole.
I have 4.0 grams. International Affairs, Kingston College. A visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Gabon.
That's right. International Affairs for St. George's College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Lesotho.
That's right. Physics for Kingston College. A transformer has 1,200 turns on the primary and 60 turns on the secondary. If the primary voltage is 240 volts, what is the secondary voltage?
240. The ratios from voltage.
So, 500.
500.
12 volts. Physics, St. George's. A microphone detects an echo from a wall 0.72 seconds after a shout. If the speed of sound is 340 meters per second, how far away is the wall?
Divide them. 2,000 meters. 2,000 meters.
122.4 meters. General knowledge, Kingston College. What fictional detective lived at 221B Baker Street?
Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes.
That's right. General knowledge, St. George's College. Which Agatha Christie character is a Belgian detective?
Mary Marple.
No, Hercule Poirot. Music and audio one for Kingston College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
Singer.
I'll leave with every piece of you.
Adele.
That's right. Rolling in the Deep. Music, St. George's. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed
Bruno Mars.
That's right. Grenade. Geography, Kingston College. Which process in the rock cycle changes limestone into marble?
Limestone into marble.
Weathering.
No, metamorphism. Geography, St. George's. Name the layer of the Earth's atmosphere filled with electrically charged particles created by solar, ultraviolet, and X-ray radiation.
Ionosphere. Ionosphere.
That's right. Theatre and cinema visual question for KC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Mark Ruffalo.
Mark Ruffalo.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for St. George's. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Ethan Hawke.
Ethan Hawke.
That's correct. Mathematics, KC. A sum of money triples in 12 years at simple interest. What is the rate per annum to the nearest percent?
It triples in 12 years.
Yeah.
4%.
17%. Mathematics, St. George's. A store offers a 20% discount on an item marked $150, then charges 15% sales tax on the discounted price. What is the final price to the nearest dollar?
15% or 120. And
$162.
$138. Sport, a visual question for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
The Greek military center.
Oh, yeah. Military center glue.
Military center glue.
That's correct. A Greek long jump star. St. George's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Femke ball.
Femke ball. Femke ball.
Dutch track star, that's right. History, and we won't have time for history because that's the bell already. Scores in the match look to be Kingston College on 5 points. St. George's College also on 5 points. It's the Battle of North Street. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.